Alright, so this is going to be sort of a different video for this channel. I don't believe anyone has made a timeline video for Lasko table fans. At least not anyone currently on YouTube. But I figured, since I have so damn many of these things, why not me? So anyway, that being said, let's get into it. Starting all the way on the left with this lovely green Sears Model 453-30130, dated 1976. Made in Japan by Sanyo and imported by Lasko. Right next to it we have a blue Galaxy Model 2150. Very iconic fan. And this one is dated 1981. Next, we have the probably equally iconic, if not a close second, the Galaxy 2150C. This one's dated 1986. Then we have another 2150C. Mint in the box from 1987. This one will be getting its own video. In fact, these two will be getting their own video. Then we have the Air King Model 4150. The serial number is partially worn off, unfortunately, so I don't know the exact year. But if I had to guesstimate, I'd say it's from 1989 or 1990. This one has a shaded pole motor and the switch on the rear, which makes me suspect that this was sort of an economy offering back in the day, as opposed to the PSC motors and having the switch on the base, which obviously costs more to make. Anyway, next up we have the GSAs. The wall-mountable grounded cord fans that were made for the government. All three of these are dated 1993, but they're from various different points in 1993. These two were obviously made earlier in 93, as they have the 70s Lasko logo still. And of course, I put the full fat blade, my black full fat blade, on this one. And then this one was made later in 93. It has the American flag logo that Lasko started using about midway through the year. Next up we have a Galaxy by Lasko Model 2150S, dated 1994. To the right of it, we have another GSA. And this one is dated 1994 as well. And finally, we have this Lasko Model 2000, dated 1996. So anyway, there you have it. Sort of abridged timeline of Lasko 12-inch table fans from 1976 all the way to 1996. Hope you enjoyed.